Plastic has seeped into our lives completely, infiltrating into our personal and commercial aspects. It has transformed medical equipment, decreased food waste, and even aided in sustainability by reducing the demand for cardboard. However, if the world as a whole proceeds to rely on plastic the way we do, we need to change the way we mass produce plastic before it's too late. Plastics are undoubtedly one of the world's most radical innovations, but the sheer enormity of their production and poor treatment, along with inadequate disposal facilities, are having a growing negative impact on the natural environment. This includes climate change, marine habitat degradation, and the toxic pollutants used in its production processes. About 700 marine species, including seabirds, turtles, and whales, consume or become entangled in plastic. Moreover, it might just be the most used material in our homes. All of this necessitates immediate action. The majority of plastics we see around us are hydrocarbon plastics that are historically derived from non-renewable petrochemical components. On the contrary, green plastics are biodegradable products typically made of plant-based polymers. Simply described, green plastics, eco-friendly plastic, or bioplastics are polymers that are either 100% biodegradable, biological materials are used in part, or both. These polymers can minimize the emissions of greenhouse gases, reliance on fossil fuels, and the need for landfills. We here at Optimation have a long history of interest in green plastics and in working with clients to develop manufacturing processes for green plastics. For the past decade, Optimation has partnered with firms developing green plastics primarily made from both carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. These technologies continue to be developed in an effort to create more biodegradable products and provide a lower carbon footprint for the planet. The bottom line is that the world is rapidly moving towards more sustainable and eco-friendly solutions. Green plastic is one such eco-friendly innovation that will shape the future demand and supply more responsibly. Plastic has become omnipresent. Businesses that adopt greener technologies will gain more brand value with their end users, and they'll also be changing the world for the better as we know it.